Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to share with you 5 quick and easy plumbing tricks that might save you down the road, and you'll thank me. So stick around, we'll get the show right started. Welcome to Tailgate Tuesday edition of Plumbing with Tim. Hey, if you're here for the first time, you know what to do. Drop down, hit the subscribe button. It's free, it's easy, and that way I can keep shooting these awesome videos. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you 5 really cool little tricks when it comes to plumbing that you can implement in with your everyday practices, and you'll thank me for them. So let's get started. Number 1, say you want to get a shark bite off of a piece of pipe. What are you supposed to do? Well, they send you a little tool that's plastic like this, U-shaped, that you can try to wiggle it on there and get it off. What if you don't have one of those tools? Get yourself an open-end wrench, crescent wrench. Take and slide that thing over the pipe, like so. See what I got? Alright, leave that right there where it's at. Get yourself another tool and smack it. Off comes shark bite. How cool is that? Trick number 2. How do you find a hot water leak that's underneath the slab of your house? Spend 20 bucks, go to Lowe's or Home Depot and get yourself a heat gun, okay? This thing displays all the temperatures and stuff like that, and now you can find that hot spot on the floor without spending $350 for leak detection. Tip number 3, this is a good one for you. How do you find a sewer stoppage, especially if it's an apartment complex, which requires you to get up on a roof with your sewer machine? But how do you know which stack, which vent, which pipe you need to put your snake down through? Before you get up there, grab yourself a little handful of small pebbles, alright? Go up there and drop a pebble down the pipe. If that doesn't work, drop it down through another one or another one until you hear water splash. Then you know you're in the right spot, and that's where your stoppage is usually going to be at. Trick number 4, you've seen this in another video of mine. How do you test a water heater element without having to drain the whole tank down and pull the thing out? First of all, kick the power off at your water heater at the electrical panel. Get yourself a multimeter, okay? Set it to the continuity level right there, okay? All the way down. And take your test leads like so. Disconnect the 2 lines that go to your element and put one lead and a second lead. Now if you hear a noise happen, that element's good. If I didn't get that sound, that means that that element is bad. Now I can go to the next step and drain the water heater and get it replaced. Number 5, how do I find a clean out at someone's house, a sewer clean out outside of their home? Okay, I can't find it. I'm tired of probing around in the ground all over the place. Well, chances are you probably have to get your ladder out, your sewer machine, your drain cleaning snakes, all that stuff. Get up on the roof, set your machine up, run your snake through, down through the vent on the roof, usually about 50 to 75 feet. Okay, at that time, instead of manually pushing the handle down to keep the thing going, make sure the snake's in there. You take your adjustable clutch on the end of here and tighten that thing down until it engages that snake and it makes it turn by itself. Secure the machine to the roof so it doesn't fall off. Get down on the ground and start listening. Listen for that snake to be beating around inside that pipe. You're going to feel a vibration or you're going to hear it. Mark that spot on the ground, disconnect the power to your machine, and go ahead and dig up that spot where you heard it banging around. That's where you're going to find your clean out. So there you guys have it. I hope this video has helped you out in one way or another. Hey, I've got them all day long. Don't forget to drop down below and leave me a comment or a question or concern. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that way I can keep shooting these awesome videos. Look, I'm all about doing things the easy way, but I don't like cutting corners. I'm going to do them the right way, or I'm not going to do them at all. Always make sure to implement safety habits at all times when it comes to this type of work. So, until next time, this has been Tailgate Tuesday edition of Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.